Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Recipes All Day with Dr. O'Day. Today we're checking out a pizza recipe by one of my Intro to Psychology students, Hope. So Hope is telling me that this is the best pizza I've ever had. I'm giving it a shot. Let's see how it goes. So initially Hope's recipe said that we needed to let the dough proof for a little bit, and I honestly didn't have any time this particular day, so I was working with pretty darn cold dough here. That's why it took me a little bit longer than it used to when I was working at Domino's for a few years to roll this thing out. But you're just going to toss this thing. You can do it in flour, you can do it in cornmeal. We used to use cornmeal at Domino's, so I've just kind of adopted that use there. In the meantime, we're making sure we're preheating our oven to 450 degrees, and we're going to lightly cover the bottom of a stone or cooking sheet with olive oil, and we're going to go ahead then, once we've got this thing rolled, tossed out, we're going to put it onto that cookie sheet or that cooking sheet or that pizza stone. I like to preheat my pizza stone. Then we're going to put some sauce on this. Hope didn't send a sauce recipe. I will go ahead and link the sauce recipe that I really like. I actually make this ahead of time for all of my pizzas. And I actually make my dough myself. Hope says that you can buy the pre-made pizza dough as well. I make all my own pizza dough with my bread maker that my wife Jill got me for Christmas. And then after this, we're going to go ahead and throw some basil on that. And boy, did this basil really, it really changes that pizza quite a bit. So this was kind of a new add-on for me as a result of this recipe, and I really liked adding in just a little bit of basil on here. It just gives it this nice flavor, a very fresh flavor here that we're going for. And then once we've got the basil on there, we're just going to go ahead and start throwing cheese around the edge. And so what we're going to do is we're going to get a log of freshly sliced mozzarella cheese. And then we're just going to slice this up into nice thin slices. We're going to cover the whole pizza with it as much as you can. And then we're going to use sliced pepperonis. One of the things I used to do at Domino's all the time is we actually used to make inside out pizza. And on that inside out pizza, what we would actually do is we'd actually put the pepperonis on first, then the cheese, then the sauce. And I'm telling you, Hope, if you're watching this, try it like that one time. I promise it is amazing. And as always, Clara had to help me out with this recipe too, and I really enjoyed having her. She enjoyed throwing the dough and messing with the pots and pans. Well, that's all we have time for today. I really enjoyed this recipe along with all of the other ones that I've been making here lately. Please make sure to hit that like and subscribe, and please let me know if there's any video content that you would like to see coming up.